Hey, my name is Jamie and welcome to Responsible ChatGPT Use for students. Now, I'm a current practicing teacher and AI educator, and I think this is probably the most important and relevant concept for you guys as students to grasp in 2024 moving forward. Now, ChatGPT and AI has taken the entire world by storm, including the education system. And the problem is you guys are using it, but you're using it irresponsibly. The amount of plagiarized work that teachers around the world are receiving straight from ChatGPT is a huge concern, which is the main reason that I've created this course, which helps you guys understand the amazing technology that you have at your fingertips and how to use it responsibly to help you learn and not just cheat. Okay, so what we're going to go through are some of the main issues surrounding ChatGPT, plagiarism, academic integrity, and some video tutorials about how to actually use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas, to get feedback on your own work, to research, and to actually teach you concepts like a 24/7 tutor. We're going to learn how to be responsible when using ChatGPT in schools and universities.